If you've been reaching for flowy dresses thinking they hide belly fat, I need you to stop right there. Because that dress you think is your best friend, it might actually be the very reason you look twice your size in photos. And here's the thing nobody tells you, it's not about hiding anything. The women over 60 who look absolutely effortless and put together, they're not covering up. They're redirecting attention. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how they do it. Stay with me until the end because the last tip, most women over 60 have never heard it, and it will completely change how you see your wardrobe. Welcome back, beautiful. If you're returning to this channel, you already know we don't do boring here, and we definitely don't do expensive. And if you're new here, welcome to Elegance at Any Age, the place where we prove that 60 is not the finish line, it is the runway. This channel is built for real women, with real bodies, real budgets, and real lives. So whether you're watching from your living room in your favorite robe, or getting ready for a big outing, I'm so glad you're here. Before we dive in, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button right now, because this video took some serious research and love to put together, and your like tells YouTube to share it with more women who need to see this. And if you haven't subscribed yet, tap that subscribe button and ring the bell, because we drop new videos every week, and you do not want to miss what's coming next. Alright, let's get into it. Part 1, the problem with what you've been told. Let me ask you something honest. How many times have you walked into a store, seen a big flowy dress, and thought, oh, this will cover everything? You grab it, you try it on, and in the mirror it looks fine. But then someone takes a photo, and you think, who is that woman? Because she looks nothing like what you imagined. Here's why that keeps happening. For decades, women with belly fat have been handed the same tired advice. Go loose. Go long. Go dark. Cover it up. And so we listen. We buy the tent dresses, the oversized everything, the shapeless tops that hang like curtains. And we think we're doing the right thing. But here's the truth that nobody in those fashion magazines ever said out loud. Hiding your body doesn't make it disappear. It just makes the fabric the main character instead of you. The women you see at 60, 65, even 70, who look genuinely elegant and slim. They are not wearing less fabric because they have less belly. They are wearing smarter fabric in smarter places. And that is exactly what we are unpacking today. Part 2, the dresses you need to stop wearing. Now I want you to think of this section as a gentle wardrobe intervention. Not a lecture. Not a criticism. Just one woman telling another woman what she wishes someone had told her sooner. The straight tent dress. This is probably the most common mistake. A dress that hangs straight from the shoulders with no shape whatsoever. It seems like the safe choice because it's loose everywhere. But here's what it actually does. It creates one long, unbroken vertical line of fabric that adds visual bulk from your chest all the way down. Instead of hiding the belly, it creates a box shape around your entire body. And the box shape is never flattering on anyone, regardless of size. The super clingy jersey dress. On the opposite end, there's the dress that sticks to every single curve because it stretches. Some women love jersey because it feels comfortable. And comfort matters. But when a fabric has zero structure and clings to your midsection, it maps out everything underneath it. There's no redirection, no support, no illusion. It's just fabric sitting directly on top of your belly and announcing its presence. The dress with a horizontal stripe right across the middle. Stripes are not the enemy. But placement is everything. When a bold horizontal pattern lands right at the widest part of your midsection, your eye goes straight there. The dress is doing the opposite of what you want. It's putting a spotlight exactly where you were hoping nobody would look. The very short dress with no waist definition. Some women try to draw attention downward by wearing shorter hemlines. But if the dress is also boxy and has no waist definition, you now have a short boxy silhouette that makes the legs look wider too. The length alone doesn't save it. The extremely oversized maxi dress. Here's the sneaky one. The maxi dress feels like a win. It's long, it's breezy, it's elegant. But when it's too oversized with no structure and billows out from the chest to the floor with nothing nipping in anywhere, it actually reads as very heavy on the body. It swallows you whole. And instead of looking like you're wearing a dress, it looks like the dress is wearing you. Part 3, What to do instead. And here is where everything changes. Wear dresses that have a defined waist, but not a tight one. The goal is not to squeeze your waist into a belt so tight you can't breathe. The goal is to suggest a waist. Even a soft, gentle inward curve at your natural waist changes everything about how a dress looks on your body. It creates a shape that the eye reads as balanced and proportional. You don't need a tiny waist. You just need a visible one. Look for dresses with a soft sash, a built-in tie, or light seaming at the waist. These small details do enormous work. The wrap dress is your secret weapon. Here's something beautiful about the wrap dress. It was literally designed to create a waist on any body. The diagonal line created by the wrap closing at the front pulls the eye inward and downward. It schemes over the belly rather than sitting on it. And the V neckline draws attention upward toward your face and collarbone, which is exactly where you want people looking. The wrap dress has been around for decades and it still works because the geometry of it is genuinely flattering. A midi-length wrap dress in a solid color, or a soft small print, is one of the most elegant things a woman over 60 can own. Empire waist dresses done right. The empire waist sits just below the bust and then flows out gently from there. When it's done correctly, it schemes over the belly without clinging and creates a long, elegant line below. The key word here is gently. You want a soft A-line flare from the empire waist, not a massive tent. The difference between the two is about 2 inches of extra fabric, but it reads completely differently on the body. The A-line midi dress. The A-line silhouette is a classic for a reason. It fits through the shoulders and bust, has a slight definition at or near the waist, and then flares gently outward as it goes down. This creates balance. The flare at the bottom visually balances the midsection, so your belly is never the widest or most prominent part of the silhouette. The dress as a whole becomes balanced, and a balanced silhouette reads as slim. Opt for structured fabrics over flimsy one. Fabric weight and structure matter more than most women realize. A structured fabric, like a ponte, a scuba knit, or a medium-weight crepe, holds its shape away from your body instead of collapsing onto it. This means the fabric creates its own silhouette rather than borrowing yours. And when the fabric is doing the work, your belly gets a break. Flimsy fabrics like very thin jersey, cheap chiffon, or unlined georgette cling or collapse in ways that reveal rather than conceal. Always check how a fabric moves when you hold it up. If it has no body of its own, it will borrow yours. Dark colors strategically, not universally. You've heard the rule. Wear black and you'll look slimmer. And yes, dark colors do recede visually. But the magic happens when you use color contrast strategically. A dark dress with a lighter or brighter detail at the neckline or shoulders draws the eye up and away from the midsection. A color block dress that is darker in the middle and lighter at the top and bottom creates a visual slimming effect that is genuinely impressive. You don't have to wear all black. You just have to use color with intention. By the way, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me which of these dress styles you've been wearing without realizing it was working against you. I read every single comment, and I genuinely love hearing from this community. And if this video is already opening your eyes, go ahead and hit that like button right now. It truly helps this channel reach more women who need to hear this. Okay, let's keep going because the next part is where it gets really good. Part 4, the haircut connection nobody talks about. Now, I promised you something unique today. Something that most style channels never connect. And here it is. The dress you wear and the haircut you choose work together. Or against each other. And for women over 60 with belly fat, the right haircut can actually make the dress do more work. Here's the principle. Your overall silhouette is not just from the neck down. The eye reads your entire outline from the top of your head to the hem of your dress. Which means your hair is part of your shape. Why very long hair can work against you. When hair is very long and lies flat and heavy against your body, it adds visual weight to the sides of your torso. It also pulls the eye downward, which is the opposite of what you want when you're trying to lift attention upward toward your face and away from your midsection. Very long flat hair can unintentionally emphasize the middle of your body simply because it draws the gaze down and through that section. Why medium and short haircuts lift the whole look. A medium-length haircut that sits at the chin, jaw, or collarbone does something remarkable. It creates a frame around your face and keeps the eye in the upper third of your body. A collarbone length cut with soft waves or a bit of volume is one of the most universally flattering lengths for women over 60 because it is long enough to feel feminine, but short enough to keep the visual focus high. Short haircuts with volume on top, like a soft pixie, a tapered cut with height at the crown, or a chin-length bob with movement, actually create upward visual energy. They make you look taller and they pull the eye up and away from the midsection entirely. The combination that changes everything. An A-line midi wrap dress in a structured fabric with a soft collarbone-length haircut with volume creates a complete visual package that is balanced, elegant, and effortlessly flattering. The dress handles the lower body silhouette. The haircut handles the upper body energy. Together, they work as a team. This is the thing nobody tells you when they hand you a shapeless tent dress and send you on your way. Part 5, Quick Style Reminders Before You Go. Before I let you go, here are a few quick things to keep in your back pocket every time you shop for dresses. Always try a dress on fully before deciding. The hanger lies constantly. Midi length, meaning hitting somewhere between the knee and the ankle, is the most flattering length for women over 60 with belly concerns because it creates length and elegance without adding bulk. When in doubt, look for a dress with a V neckline or a wrap front. These two details do more heavy lifting than any other design element in fashion. Avoid stiff wide belts directly on the belly. A soft sash or a thin belt sitting just below the bust works much better. And finally, the most important reminder of all. You are not dressing to hide yourself. You are dressing to present yourself. There is a world of difference between those two intentions. One shrinks you. The other celebrates you. And that, my love, is how you stop letting your dress work against you and start letting it work for you. If you found this helpful, I would be so grateful if you gave this video a thumbs up and shared it with a friend who needs to hear it. And if you are not yet part of our community here on Elegance at any age, subscribe right now because next week, we are talking about something just as important and just as eye-opening. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself. You deserve to feel beautiful every single day.